Hey guys, what's up? It's Darren, the guru here. I'm here with another Become a Millionaire series, and I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can be a millionaire. So today, I really wanted to talk to you guys about a few things, just like the steps in which I've done to become really successful in my business. And what I'm basically going to be talking to you guys in this video is like step by step how I became a millionaire. So if you are looking for checks like these to come in the mail for you every 3 days to a week, then you too must listen to my secrets on how to become a millionaire. I used to be like you, and right now I'm just hanging out in my $3.8 million rooftop view of New York City, and it cost me $3.8 million. And I'm sitting here and I'm going to tell you guys all about what I do to make the $3.8 million and the step-by-step process and how I became millionaire. What I wanted to talk to you guys about today is the step-by-step process on what to do, how to become a millionaire. And I just wanted to let you guys know before I go on, I'm going to give you guys some links to support these videos. I'm going to link my Patreon where you can get exclusive stuff to me to help me make these videos, because I'm currently unemployed, and these videos are my job to show you guys how to become a millionaire. So it'd be awesome to show your support. So first thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is this book by Napoleon Hill. It's called Think and You're Gonna Grow Rich. And what he's talking about in this book, if you were to read this book and truly grasp the information, like I also did, then you too will become a big millionaire. And you're going to have a lot of money on your hands, and you're going to be able to afford really fancy things to be able to prove to you yourself, your family, and your friends that you can be a millionaire. I recently purchased this essential oil aroma, and it makes you healthier and it makes you focused. And I truly believe that having essential oils in your life will help you become the richest person that you can be. The second thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is to make sure that every day you wake up and you look in the mirror and you tell yourself, hey, today we're gonna be a millionaire. And you might not be a millionaire yet, but you have to look in the mirror at your own face and you're gonna say, hey, it's time to be a millionaire. What are you doing? We're already a millionaire. And then you'll know how to make millions very slowly over time. It's called the compounding effect. See, what schools and college does not teach you very well on to doing is to make sure that every day you are working and building yourself. And to make sure you're doing that, you're gonna need books. And you're gonna need smart books. You don't read fiction, because that doesn't teach you how to become a millionaire. third step, guys, is you have to find clients. It's very important. You need to find clients. There's a reason that I have all of this money. It's because I'm really, really good, and I'm really, really adamant with coming to get the clients and sealing the deal. You see, guys, you too, also, you guys can talk to like people that know that they need to give you money for their business to perform better, but they really just do not want to fail, just like you. So if you get clients, you will be a millionaire, and you too can live in a $3.9 million rooftop downtown New York City, where the money is, where they've got a lot of money, and you will be the richest version that you can be. And don't forget to go and check out my Patreon and keep being millionaires.